met Diana when she was 17, and I was managing a salon in Bond Street in London, and I started doing her hair more and more. I used to shampoo her hair over the sink in the kitchen. Probably a dream of a hairdresser that would get one hair cover for the hair. Obviously I did. Walking in over 10 years. Favorite hairstyle, I think would be Thailand.
Yeah.
No, I said let's put orchids in your hair because that is a symbol, I suppose, of Thailand, Asia. So I ran around the Imperial Hotel stealing the most beautiful orchids off the arrangements. I wondered what on earth I was doing. The camera didn't do her justice. She was so beautiful in real life. I'd be blow drying her hair every morning, and she, oh my God, every day was fabulous.